Hey guys, so I'm just showing you guys the wig and how good it looks. It looks super natural. I did bleach my knots. It took to bleach great. The wig is a little damp here, but I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. This legit looks like my hair. It is freaking insane. The wig did come with several combs in the inside of it. I did take them out. You guys know I'm notorious for taking combs out just because I don't utilize them, and they just kind of make the wig a little bit bulky in my opinion, but a lot of people do utilize them, so that's for people who actually do. The hairline looks amazing, and the texture. Here I'm just going to be cutting off my lace. I like to cut it a little jagged, and I also like to keep a little lace on so that the wig will not sit directly on my hairline. And that's pretty much all I'm doing in this part, guys. So I'm just checking the wig and making sure I cut everything okay. Looks like I did. I'm going to be taking this leg spray. I've done several reviews on it, and this is what I use to kind of put on the tip of my lace to kind of disguise that lace and make it blend in with my skin a little bit more. Bleaching doesn't always help that much. I mean, it does the job, but it doesn't help that much. So I am taking some Got to Be, of course, and just putting it around my hairline and laying my wig just normally how I usually do it, okay? Alright guys, so here we go with the plucking on the head tutorial and just the new method, okay? A lot of people have been asking me, Erin, how do you pluck on your head? Because I had mentioned it in a couple of the videos and people were asking me to show them how. I do recommend this method because you get to customize your hairline to your own hairline. You don't have to worry about trying to customize it on a mannequin or like getting the, getting things wrong, laying baby hairs wrong. You could just do it on your head and get the exact placement of everything, and I just feel like it works a lot better. As you guys see, all I'm doing is going into the hairline and pulling out little sections. I am also plucking the sections and plucking behind the sections, which is plucking my frontal and also thinning out my frontal a little bit in the front and also creating baby hairs, okay? And I'm going in with my razor comb and just cutting them to my desired look, putting a little foam wrap on there and just making the baby hair. You can cut them short if you want to, you can leave them longer if you want to, you can have less baby hair, you can have more baby hair. And yeah guys, it's really simple and easy. I want everyone to try this method and let me know how it works out for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically, y'all, you guys have already seen me style this unit and everything. I wanted to keep this style as simple as possible, okay? That was my goal with this unit, okay? First of all, the unit came pre-plucked and it was like so pretty, okay? Like just the way the hairline was, I like it. Y'all already know I love their hairlines. I always rave about their hairlines. They're just nice, okay? They're just nice. You just don't have to do a lot to them. So all I did was lay a few baby hairs. Y'all know how I love my baby hairs, and I decided to kind of keep it more so in its natural state. I didn't really want to flat iron it too much or get it too bone straight or anything like that. I just want to keep it in its natural state. This reminds me of my natural hair so much. This is exactly how my natural hair feels and reacts. This texture is popping, okay, nowadays. And you know, I can see why. I had always been kind of scared of this texture, but after kind of working with it, I can say I'm really feeling it. It looks real natural. As you guys can see, the parting space on this wig. All right, you see how much parting space you get, and also how much parting space you get on that side. I did bleach my knots, and I added a little makeup to make it look a little bit more natural. And yeah, I just put it in like this top knot bun, and I just think it looks good. And like I said, guys, I wanted to keep it looking as natural as possible, okay? But I'm really feeling this texture. Everybody's been saying, Erin, please do a kinky straight unit, do a kinky straight, and I'm finally doing it. Oh, so let me know what you guys think about this unit. Also, let me know, did the tutorial help? Do you guys like kinky straight units? I know a lot of you all do. Some people do, some people don't. It's like a handful, like 50-50 who do, 50-50 who don't. But I can say this wig is super soft. I didn't receive like a lot of shedding or anything like that. When I washed it, it just, like I said, it reacted like relaxed African American hair, and I don't know, I liked it. I don't know why I was so scared of this texture, but anyway, I'm just really feeling it, okay? And I just think, child, that look good. I'm sorry, it look good. I look like a freaking African Barbie or something. So anyways, yes guys, like I said, I don't want to make this video too long. All the specs will be down below. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I'll see y'all in my next video.